In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Loop in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to this tool or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever software you're comfortable with. You'll want to head to the search bar, which is usually located at the top of your browser window, and type in Microsoft Loop. Press Enter or click the search button to start your search. This will bring up a list of results. Look for the official Microsoft page, which should be one of the top links. Click on it, and this will take you to the Microsoft Loop web page. Once you're on the Microsoft Loop page, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click this button, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your email address associated with it. If you don't have an account yet, you might see an option to create one, which will only take a few minutes. But for now, let's assume you already have an account. After you've entered your email address, the next step may require you to provide your password. This is the typical sign-in process to ensure your account's security. And now, sometimes, to enhance this security, Microsoft might send you a one-time passcode or OTP to your registered email. If this happens, go to your email inbox, find the email from Microsoft, and enter the code provided onto the web page to proceed. Once your credentials are verified, you'll be directed to the Microsoft Loop dashboard. Here, you'll find all your Loop components neatly organized and ready for use. Now, if you're using Outlook, there's a really convenient way to integrate Microsoft Loop into your workflow. Within Outlook, you can create and share Loop components directly in your emails. This is a great trick for enhancing collaboration and keeping everything streamlined within the tools you already use. You can find these Loop components in the Outlook navigation pane, usually located on the left-hand side of the interface. This feature allows you to access everything you need without having to switch back and forth between applications. And there you have it. Accessing Microsoft Loop is a straightforward process that's designed to help you stay productive and organized in your digital workspace. Explore its numerous features, and don't be afraid to experiment with different components that might suit your needs. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through accessing Microsoft Loop. Thank you so much for watching, and happy looping.